I was just about to start making some sauce from these peppers I harvested, but I figured I'd take some time to make a quick and casual video about when you can harvest your peppers. I know I had questions about this when I first started growing them, and I would have loved a quick comprehensive guide instead of having to look around at a variety of different sources just to get the answers I was looking for. So, when can you harvest your peppers? Those more experienced among us know that this is kind of a trick question. You can pick and use your peppers at any stage you want. I know. 10 out of 10 answer. You're welcome. But in all seriousness, color in most cases is going to be your best friend and should be the first marker to look at. For example, Carolina Reapers start out as green but then turn red when they're matured. Scotch bonnets and Jamaican mushroom peppers turn yellow when they're ripe. These red Savina habaneros will turn a red-orange when they're good and ready. One caveat to color is that not all peppers should be picked after they've changed. Jalapenos are often picked green, but if left alone will turn a bright crimson. Typically people do this because they can't handle the heat of a fully ripened jalapeno. I don't have such weaknesses, but if you are one of those people, I recommend waiting for the peppers to start corking before you pick them. Corking is when the flesh of the pepper grows too large for the skin, so the skin will tear and heal in these striated patterns. A similar thing can be said about bell peppers. Green, yellow, and red bell peppers are all from the same plant, just at different stages of ripeness. Yellow and red bell peppers are obvious enough. Follow the color to your preferred ripeness. The green ones are a little trickier. With those, you want to check in on them daily, and right when you see the tiniest hint of a color change, you pick it. I didn't grow any this year to show you, but trust me, I'm not a doctor. I'll leave you with this neat trick to help you decide when to pick that pepper. If the color is a changin', it shouldn't be hanging. I like to err on the side of caution and pick them slightly less ripe because they'll continue to ripen once picked. If you liked what you saw, why not consider subscribing and hitting the notification icon to stay up to date on when I post. If you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later. But until next time, bye.